increase, but I will give you that old price.
I thought you will give me another discount.
Ano kinuha na niya? Ay, kaya pala hindi siya nagkwenta. Hindi
Wow.
siya nag...
Nice chain, 21K.
Ang dami na niya mag...
Maliit niyan.
Magkano?
90, how much?
Total 98, you pay 30 BD, then balance 68 BD.
65 na.
He gives 70 because increase.
Eh? How much now?
Now the 21 carat 35 BD is coming.
33
Before
only.
only, yeah, before 33.
You can check this one.
Yeah, okay.
How much this one?
At around
Pwede ka mag-down ng...
Just check.
Nakuha na kay ate.
with the cross.
No, just only,
Only
this
chain?
one, yeah. Kasi yata ito kay tatay eh.
Manipis. Masyado siyang manipis.
This chain
Bigay mo na lang.
7.77 grams.
At least may
This
pang-araw-araw ka doon
one
sa
330 after
ilong.
discount 313.
300.
300.
Oh my God.
You pay benefit or cash? Okay. You wearing now?
Yeah.
I-wear, isuot mo natin.
You
Kaya
put?
pala.
Sige te, sige te. Sige te. Your new boyfriend.
Yung boyfriend. Iba na naman boyfriend ko ba? Parang
Kaya
kilala
pala
ko
hindi
na.
siya nagsuot.
Kaya nga,
Tas,
iniwan niya yung mga gold niya. Oh, maganda siya.
ay,
Uy,
yung earrings.
Wala tayong budget dyan.
bakit hindi ka nahiya ka lang ni Tanya siguro tin.
Naya lang ko kasi sabi niya, ang dami naman itong gold. Ang ganda dito, oh. Panlalaki.
Magkano yun there? 330?
319. Oo, 13.
Di ba noon may nakuha tayo, yung 18K, 90 plus lang yun. Saka
Oh,
may
90. Oo! Nandito siya, oh.
saan?
Yung mataas, 90 lang.
Ito?
Balikan ko yan. Bukas, pag manalo ko ng
Ito?
loto.
How much you pay?
Nandoon pa nga yung akin, magkano ko yung balance ko.
Ba't kunti lang? Kasi lahat pala nakuha
Uy,
na nandun
Day.
sa kanila.
Yung isa hindi niya i-display. Buti na lang nga yun, may display yan.
Yung isa hindi nagdi-display yun.
Bakit?
Yung matanda, hindi yung nag-display.
Bakit? Ba't hindi
Kaya
siya
mas madali daw kunin yung... Alating, maganda din yung Teo. Tingnan mo.
Saan?
Ito siya ang
Oo.
pero maano siya ma-design.
Oo.
May I see that one?
Baya, can I have more water?
Si drink like Carabao.
Tigumay kay Niti. Uy. Pero yung kwintas din, may nagustuhan. May bato na naman dito.
Saan?
Ay, yung kwintas, yung simsim.
I she want to see this one.
You know that is from...
You don't have the receipt?
No, I don't have. I don't know where is it.
Straight that, number 3.
This one?
Yeah. Agoy. Baka mga wala na po bang.
Ay, ang cute.
Ang cute na yung uto. Tingnan mo.
Ang cute niya.
Bagay kasi kamot ninyo.
Sana all malaki ang kamot.
Ang cute niya.
Tiri,
How
oh my
much?
God, may kikudlo.
Ang cute niya.
Si Tiri, oh, cute kay na.
Puro na lang bato yan sa ang buto sa akin. Wala nang wala nang laman. Oh, try mo.
Ay, hindi ka igo. Gamay man di kayo. 21K yan, tissue.
How much?
Ang problema lang kasi, ang bato, mga tangka.
One. This one 115 after discount 108.
Wow, that is 115. How many grams is this?
2.5 grams.
2.5 grams is 108.
So, 21K yan.
And that one, that
21.
necklace,
Which one? This one?
the paper plate, yeah.
Ti, sabi mo maghulog, may hulugan ka na naman. Ano na?
Wala. Tinignan lang eh.
This one 80 after discount 70 BD.
Oh, mura lang.
Mahal na siya.
70?
70.
Why this one is so...
It's small eh.
Mm.
It's very thin.
You want big one?
Yeah, who doesn't? Gusto namin malaki talaga.
Pero ang cute niya. Pero delikado. Ano to. Bilis
Oh,
yan
ito
ma...
78?
70 bucks.
70.
You want like this symbol?
Medyo okay pa to.
Or you want like this big?
Medyo makapal siya, 18K naman ito.
Ayan, mas ano siya.
That one, 21. This one is 18.
That is 80.
Medyo maano ito. Medyo makapal, di ba? How much is one? Parang ganito kay Glo eh.
This one
Earring.
2.70 kg. This one 122 after discount 110.
Ay, mahal din.
Ay, ganun din. Kung kay Glo, binili niya, 110 din yun.
Okay. No, I have already one. Just check. So,
Paper clip.
Next time. You want to keep anything?
boyfriend only.
This one is and then keep.
Sino
You want to bracelet, ring?
Ring. Can we check
Okay,
the
check. Look on inside.
Chinalin, she want
Or you want to bracelet? Like this butterfly, you like? I
What?
think this is here.
how much?
Ayan, ti, maganda.
Ang liit. Parang parang mababaklas ka agad.
Isa ka lang, hindi mo naman masuot yan.
Hindi ka naman magsusuot yun.
I don't like very tight. You,
No,
you
this-
like you like tight. Me, I don't like.
What I say? You don't like? Okay.
No.
Leave it.
Daota dyan si ate.
Too tight. No, for you it's nice. It's okay. For me, no.
You just try. Then you know. This is.
I don't like tight.
Ayaw niya ng tight.
You
Gusto
like-
niya, wah! Daota.
May I see the ring?
It's a-
No. Can you take that all?
Not this one. This one loose.
You don't like loose. I know. No. Eh,
It's lost.
Van Cleef.
Daota dyan si ate. Hey, don't use E-word ha.
No. Ay, ang cute din siya, G, oh.
Saan ba yan?
Ayan, oh.
Ayan, maganda siya.
Kaso nakisabay dito sa
Pang ano ba? Pang anti-buyag.
pang anti-buyag.
Oo, pang anti-buyag yan kasi may bato na siya eh.
I don't like with stone.
This very small. It's not
Very small. You like small?
Yeah.
Magkano, how much siya one ha?
It's small. That's a little price only.
How much is that?
Ah, bilhin na ni ate.
Little price. See, this only 80 after this was 69 big.
69?
69?
You like 69?
Yeah, of course.
Normal eh.
Why you laughing?
No, I just you are telling about joke lah. That's why
It's not a
I
joke.
like.
It's not a joke. I'm asking if you like 69.
Yeah, I tell you that I like.
How much that?
This your friends laughing more. I'm not laughing this much.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
not laughing. What is your number?
3371651
69.
16. 3371
6516.
6516. 69?
Yes. No. That is 68.
68.
So, at Teresa, magkamali yung mo binipit.
If she likes 69, okay, send it. No problem. One dinner more I can get it.
33716516.
Ano man na siya?
Oh, this is your name?
Jijo.
George?
George.
Yours? George. Wow, nice name.
Thank you.
Bedroom name. My God.
You please say.
Sign your gold.
How much you send? 69 or 68?
68.
68 only? You don't like it?
But if you like 69, okay, no problem.
This is your copy. Your box.
No. I want you. This two, they're laughing.
Ang ganda ng sing-sing tip pero maliit lang.
She like the ring.
Yeah, but it's too small.
What else?
Ikaw, te, may bag. O, pwede ka na mag, ano na naman. Ayan, te, oh.
No, I have this before and
What happened, te? Gagmaya po ni magtudlo, te.
no, this one. No,
No?
I don't like it.
Day, gilain na
Ikaw
niyang kwintas
Oh,
kayo.
yan,
Yan ang
bracelet.
hulugan ni ate.
Don't like your this.
Another bracelet. te,
Oh,
pa.
I have this one big one.
Already.
Yeah, I like big. You like big?
All I can like.
Or
Big boom boom.
yeah, I have big one of this. I have necklace. I have necklace like this also.
Ay, yung ano, tino? Oh,
Maganda yan,
maganda
pwede.
yung design din.
I don't have only ring. Do you have ring for this?
Ring?
Maganda
What's the
siya,
name
te.
in this in Bahrain? In Bahrain, this one.
Never done it.
Cardamom. Love cardamom.
That is someone the different name.
Different name. Yeah, okay. How much?
Malaki. Wala ka pang bracelet pala pa.
Meron yan.
Mayroon.
108 after discount 96 gram.
96? How many grams?
Oh.
2.100 gram.
My God.
Ano siya, maliit pero mabigat.
Oo. Mabigat kasi itong
Kasi
bilhin.
nga yung ano niya, yung porloloy niya.
Okay. Anyway, we're going now.
Next time?
Next time? No more next time.
Next time your boyfriend is here.
No, I will break up with him. Because I will tell him that you like 69, huh? 69 BD of
Ring.
rings. Yeah. So he gave me 70. So I have discount 69. 1 BD 69, yeah.